ndaneta nekukurota kuhope chiuya zvandinoda kazviite pava nenguva baby chiuya ugare mudhuze ndaneta nekukurota kuhope chiuya zvandinoda kazviite pava nenguva baby chiuya ugare mudhuze michanzi mukana mumwe chete kwese kwanoenda
by Blessing Lakama Mr. Blue. Vyton 22 Roviony is South African-based Zimbabwean upcoming Afro and dancehall artist. He was born Artwell Mudzimu at Mount Selinda Hospital in 1998 and raised in the rural area of Mugandi village in Chipinge district. He attended Roscommon, Mugandi Primary and Rimby High School. He started his music journey in 2016 but professionally he started recording in 2018. His first project was Indino Nyara, recorded by Dry Beats. He made several collaborations with the likes of Tisman, Young Killer, Muggo Fire etc. As of now he didn't released an album but only singles. Indizvazvo, Chikamisa Hana, Rise Up Zimbabwe, Savitaqua, Nadauya, Better Days, Pachaichi, Love Equation, Hamanawi Coco. Kindly follow Blessing Lakama Mr. Blue on the all social media platforms for the latest celebrity updates.